I've heard it 100 times. Shouldn't we stop and ask where it is? Why don't you just read the directions? That broken leg is not going to fix itself. Well, a new study says 3 in 4 people don't ask for help until they absolutely need it. Well, whatever happened to that pioneering spirit, I say? Well, I guess they only live to an average age of about 40. So anyway, this stunning information is out in a new report at Study Finds, where we invite you to like and subscribe for the latest information. A new survey asked 2,000 Americans at what point they ask for help when starting something new and how they rely on their support system in life, and found 73% don't ask for help before they absolutely need it. Half of the respondents said they wait to ask for help until it starts to become too overwhelming, and 8% ask when it's too late and they can't continue. 13% say they never ask for help at all. I mean, Rambo stitched up his own arm after falling from a cliff, for heaven's sake. Only 27% of Americans ask for guidance before they start something new. I swear I could probably do brain surgery if I just found the right YouTube video to watch beforehand. The survey also found that 53% feel held back from achieving certain goals in their lives because they try to go it alone. The research showed some couldn't achieve certain life events, as the great philosophers Paul McCartney and John Lennon said, without a little help from their friends, with 39% saying raising a family, 34% say buying a house, and 28% say landing a dream job would all be pretty tough without their support system. 46% add just having a loved one be positive is the best way for them to show their support, and I agree with that. Yes, honey, you're changing that tire so awesomely. Holler if you need more support. Find more details on this and other studies at studyfinds.com.